The evolution of the control console at the air traffic control position. Part 1. In the early days of the development of the aviation industry, the control console at the air traffic control position was rather rudimentary. At that time, the number of aircraft was small, and flight routes were relatively simple. Air traffic controllers mainly relied on visual observation and simple radio equipment to direct aircraft. The control console might just be a table with an old-fashioned radio transceiver placed on it, a blackboard for recording the positions and statuses of aircraft, and some simple pens and papers for noting down information. The radio equipment at that time had limited functions, and the signal quality was unstable. The communication between air traffic controllers and pilots was often interfered with. Moreover, due to the lack of effective surveillance means, it was difficult for air traffic controllers to accurately grasp the real-time positions and altitudes of aircraft, and they could only make rough judgments based on the reports from pilots. In such circumstances, the air traffic control work was quite challenging, and the safety risks were relatively high. With the advent of radar technology, the control console at the air traffic control position witnessed its first major transformation. Radar was able to detect the position, altitude, speed, and other information of aircraft in real time and display these data on the monitors of the control console. This enabled air traffic controllers to have a more accurate grasp of the dynamics of air traffic, greatly improving the efficiency and safety of air traffic control work. The new control consoles were equipped with radar monitors, which could display the flight trajectories and position information of aircraft in a graphical manner. Air traffic controllers could operate the keyboard and mouse to zoom in, zoom out, pan, and perform other operations on the radar data, so as to observe the situation of aircraft more clearly. At the same time, in order to support the use of the radar system, some auxiliary devices were also added to the control console, such as flight progress strip printers and data recorders, etc., which were used to record and manage flight information. The application of radar technology not only improved the accuracy of air traffic control, but also enabled air traffic control to handle more complex air traffic situations. The number of aircraft was constantly increasing, and flight routes became more dense. The radar system helped air traffic controllers effectively manage the air traffic flow, reducing the occurrence of flight delays and conflicts.